Do you want to reset game bar settings on Windows PC? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. For any PC gamer, the Xbox Game Bar is a useful tool as it helps with screen recording, performance monitoring, and in-game overlays. Usually, the tool doesn't cause any issues and runs in the background. However, you may occasionally encounter glitches, and resetting the Xbox Game Bar is the only option. If you aren't sure how to do so, here is a quick guide. Let's get started. Method 1. Repair it via Windows settings. The easiest way to reset the Xbox Game Bar is via the settings. Here is how. Press Windows key plus I to open settings. Go to System, then System Components. Over here, search for Game Bar. Click on the three dots icon and select Advanced Options. Finally, scroll to the bottom and select Repair. If resetting doesn't resolve the issue, consider using the Reset option in the same menu. Method 2. Reset it via PowerShell. In addition to settings, you can repair it using PowerShell. Here is how. Right-click on the Start button and select Terminal. Copy and paste this command and hit Enter. Next, to reinstall Game Bar, run this command. Method 3. Reset it using Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt and execute the following command. This should reinstall Game Bar using the Windows Package Manager, thereby resetting all its settings to their defaults. Method 4. Reinstall it via the Microsoft Store. To reinstall Xbox Game Bar, uninstall it first and then open Microsoft Store and search for Xbox Game Bar and then click Install. This will install the latest version of the Game Bar, thus resetting all its settings to their defaults. So those were two quick ways to reset the Xbox Game Bar. If the reset doesn't work, check whether Game Bar is enabled. To do so, head to Settings, then select Gaming, then Game Bar. Now toggle on the Game Bar. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.